Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you are new here, please make sure that you like, you comment, and you also subscribe to this channel. I share entertainment news, celebrity gossip. If you're someone who likes some gossip, then you are definitely in the right channel. Hi guys, uthando nesithembu season 9. Hi kuningi sana. Kuningi sana, and people are just going through the most kule season. You know? Fans are even suspecting Gucci is Musamseleko getting a divorce na sana because it seems like things are not going well for him. And then people were also advising him, Gucci, social media has guys, they always have different opinions. Some people were even saying, Gucci, no, just divorce Baba Bizangama Musketeers. It's not me, it's social media. But he just divorced the three musketeers and stay with your real wives, which is uSamge noMacele. Shuthi laba abanye bona they are not real nje sana apopopayi kuyo yonke lento le. Njani? Like njani? You know, at first, uMakhumalo, uMayeni and uMangwabi were just not having it ukuthi hayibo why laba abanye bayekise umsebenzi and thina you didn't even say anything to us. What is happening? And then now he's threatening them ukuthi yena he will stop paying for the houses, they will all go back to Mzumbe. And then as for Makumalo, because Makumalo has been paying her own house, she bought the house herself. Achinje uMakumalo, I will just shut her streams of incomes. Wonke. I'll just shut wonke ama streams of income wakhe. Like, is Musa Mseleku thinking that he is God, sana? Okay, laba abanye, yes, he can stop paying for the houses, but shutting my streams of income, do you think ukuthi that thing nje wena ikuwe nje, like you are in control of someone's life? Hayi sana kuningi. This guy needs to go and get checked out because sana njani shuthi yena kahle kahle he is saying ukuthi yes, Makhumalo does have the money, but if it wasn't for me, she wouldn't have that money. And I can just tell the brands that are working with her to stop working with her, and then they'll just stop. Because kusho Musamseleko. Hi, Sana, Conte of this person is no longer okay. Ever since nje he had that stroke and went to hospital, he is no longer okay, Sham. Namampela, like kuningi that is going on kuleya marriage leyana. And to say ukuthi yeah, usne uthi yena kuma diaries, usne told me to leave the other three wives and just cut them off financially and stop paying for the houses. I'll just I will do what Sne tells me. Wena uSne akuvurifaye kangaka. Now you are saying that you will do what Sne told you to do because they don't want to listen to you. Hey, because even nalama therapist, the therapists that were trying to intervene in the marriage as they went to a retreat. I'm a therapist, they were trying to advise him, make him see where he is wrong, and he was like, ngathi ngibiza abantu aba-wrong. So yena he is never wrong sana, even when the therapists are trying to advise her. Angisho you called a therapist to intervene and try to fix the marriage. But now they are trying to fix the marriage, they are giving you advices, you are like, no, ngathi ngibiza abantu aba-wrong. So yena in his mind, he is always right. He wants people to always take his side. Their wives are always wrong. Man, I hope they are acting, Sana. I really hope they are acting because imagine being married to someone like this. I know vele it's not 100% reality. Maybe kukhona lapho where they try to change things nyana. I hope this is where they try to change things because Sana, how njani? And I'm just thinking nje ukuthi because vele now they are watching the season with us. I'm sure this thing happened maybe last year. Maybe they shot this season last year, you know. I'm just wondering, how do these people feel, like uMangwabe, uMakhumalo and uMayeni? How do they feel watching this season? Ihlazo, the humiliation ritual that they are going through, Sana, it's a lot. It's a lot, Sana. And there you have it, guys. Musa Mseleku is threatening to cut off his wives financially, and also shut down streams of incomes wakamakhumalo, because he is God, he has control over everything. So also futhi he made umakhumalo, so he has the power in his mind, God, not in reality. Like Njani. Ah, hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel. I will see you on my next video. Bye.